Isang batang Pilipino nawala at natagpuan sa Muñoz Market taong 1985. Nung hindi nakita ang kanyang mga magulang, inampon ng mga banyagang Australiano at inilipad sa Australia. Naging matagumpay na filmmaker. Makalipas ang mahigit 30 taon, nagbalik siya sa Pilipinas para hanapin ang kanyang pamilya.
I've really started to really understand my Filipino side. And to come to the Philippines and to see people that look like me, you know, and people who could potentially be my parents.
Parang pamilyar ah. Meron na din ako niyan eh. Maliit pa siya. Ito siya yun. Kaya lang nakatalikod siya. Siya ng puti eh. Siya po to. Gusto ko na pa makita. Are you Jojo?
Base sa DNA test na isinagawa kay Herminia at Jojo, ang resulta ay...
Ito ang kwento ng isang hindi malilimutang paglalakbay pabalik sa bayang Sinilangan.
Missing boy. No. Okay. Salamat.
Father, Bisaya?
Not sure. Good afternoon po. Missing boy, 1985. My full name is Joel Mancello de Carteret. I've been here since November the 28th. I've been prepping for this trip about a month ago. My main objective for this trip is to try to find my biological parents. My memories of my parents was that my dad was a jeepney driver and my mother was a dressmaker. My memories of my mother was visiting her factory and playing with the thread. And my memories of my father weren't much, but all I remember was that he would... I've grown up all my life really asking myself, who am I? I've really started to really understand my Filipino side. And to come to the Philippines and to see people that look like me, you know, and people who could potentially be my parents.
Sa paghahanap ni Jojo sa Muñoz Market, nakilala niya ang mag-asawang Dante at Vicky na nawalan din daw ng anak noong dekada 80.
I look like him.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a similarity.
Similarity.
May lukso ng dugo. Nung makita ko siya, kaya nang pagdating ko, yun na nga yung nailang ako. Iba yung salita niya eh.
Nung nakita ko, umiyak talaga ako. Pinakita niya talaga yung picture niya nung nasa orphanage siya. Nagulat ako nung pinost niya sa cellphone niya. Siya talaga.
Sumailalim sila sa DNA test para malaman kung si Vicky nga ba ang hinahanap na ina ni Jojo.
0%. Yeah.
Ang resulta, negative.
Masakit dahil hindi nga siya yung anak namin na nahanap.
Matapos maiere ang unang bahagi ng istorya ni Jojo, nakatanggap kami ng larawan ng babae na nagsasabing ito ang tunay na ina ni Jojo, si Herminia o Linda. Gayunman, ang nagpadala ng litrato, wala na ring ideya kung nasaan ito.
Do you remember her?
It's hard to say. My memories are not clear on what. Is she a dressmaker?
Yes. And her husband used to be a jeepney driver.
Really? She looks like me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had goosebumps. One thing that made my heart pound was that his name was Joel as well. I just thought to myself, what are the odds?
Sinamahan namin si Jojo para patuloy na hanapin si Herminia at natagpuan namin ang kanyang mga kaibigan.
Mama!
palatandaan din sa kilay na nahulog siya sa hagdan. Mula nung ipinanganak, talaga nasubaybay na namin siya. Kahit may tagapag-alaga pa siya. Talagang close kami sa mother niya.
Laki na nito, oh. Laki na, oh. No?
Kilala mo?
Oo. Ito yung dinadala ba ka ni Aling Delia ito palagi? Dati ang lit-lit lang nito eh. Yung anak ni, kaibigan ko sa Pingping, bispring ko, nawala kasi to. Ngayon siya nakasakay siya ng jeep papuntang Muñoz. Nilalaro kasi namin yan nung bata. At saka dala-dala yan ni Aling Delia, nakasando lagi ng puti.
Si Linda, hindi ko na alam, pero si Carding nasa US.
Yun po yung asawa ni Linda.
Oo.
Pero
Dati.
yun daw po yung mekaniko.
O, si Carding, oo.
Merong nangyaring sunog.
Doon sa Laloma. Nakita na ng apoy, umaano na yung bahay.
Si Ricardo Carding Culadilla na sinasabing ama raw ni Jojo, chief mechanic ngayon sa Amerika. Naninirahan doon kasamang isa pa niyang anak.
Ninya! Anong nababalitaan kung nawawala si Joel?
The third year na balik ko, doon ko lang nalaman na nawala yung bata. Siyempre, nawala yung anak ko, nabahala ako. Iniisip ko kung saan napunta yun.
It's good to see you. How do you feel now that you know that I'm alive and well?
Of course, I'm happy. I'm trying to find the remedy for many years. Keep coming back there to the place that your mom's with you. I talk all the people sometimes there. All the people there in that place is different. I was a kid, I was mean to you. Sorry.
I think I'm sure that it's his biological father.
Ilang araw na lang at babalik na si Jojo sa Australia. Pero hindi pa rin niya nahahanap si Erminia. Hanggang nanawagan na siya sa radyo.
This is Joel, and this is your lost boy that went missing in 1985, and I'm back and I'm really eager to meet you.
Doon na nakatanggap ng tawag ang aming programa sa isang nagpakilalang Herminia Rio. Siya raw ang hinahanap na ina ni Jojo. Nakatira sa bagong baryo sa Caloocan.
Pamilyar po ba kayo sa litratong to?
Parang pamilyar ah. Meron na din ako niyan eh. Maliit pa siya. Ito siya yun. Kaya lang nakatalikod siya oh. Siya ng puti eh. Siya po to. Gusto ko na pa makita. Gusto ko na pa makita.
Napanood ko yung interview ni Joel sa Jessica Soho. May dumating na dalawang mag-asawa. Tapos siniyakap pa nga siya eh. Kaya hindi ko na iniisip. Sabi niya kanina sa akin, meron ako narinig na nananawagan, Joel ang pangalan, tapos ang pangalan Linda, tapos Laloma. Parang tugma doon sa anak mo eh. Sabi ko, ba't naman ngayon mo lang sinabi sa akin? Ba't dapat kahapon pa? Sinasama ko siya, mahilig siya maglaro ng mga sinulid sa garments. Tapos pinagdugtong-dugtong niya yon, nilalagay niya yung tali. Tapos nilalagay niya sa pilitan niya. Pag sweldo namin, kapunta kami sa litsonan yun. Order ako isang buong litson. Ang kukunin lang niya yung balat. Kaya yung litson na yun, hindi ko tinitingnan yun eh. Kasi naalala ko sa kanya yun, yung kinakain niya yung balat.
Mare, pakitingnan nga muna yung aking anak ha. Papasok lang ako ha.
Sige, akong bahala.
Lagi ko siyang sinasama sa trabaho. Kaya lang yung araw na yun, hindi ko nasama siya dahil tutulog pa siya.
Joel? Joel? Joel?
Pag-uwi ko ng hapon, yun, nakinito na ng kaibigan ko na nawawala na, sabi niya yung nawala yung anak mo si Joel. Parang wala ko sa sarili ko, hindi ko na malaman ang gagawin ko. Nawalan na ako ng pag-asa. Nagdarasal na lang po sa Diyos na sana minsan salubog yung landas namin. Wala nang maliit pa siya, yun yung itsura niya. Gusto ko na po siya yakapin.
Isang araw bago ang nakatakdang pagbalik ni Jojo sa Australia, nakatakda na ang kanilang muling pagkikita makalipas ang mahigit 30 taon.
Are you Jojo?
I am.
Mermin.
Are you Armenia?
Ako.
Okay. Are you okay? I've missed you. I've missed you.
May picture ako na ito yun eh, paa niya. Kahit di patingin sa doktor yan eh. Yan, meron yan damage yung paa niya. Hindi pantay yung paa niya.
This is your lucky star certificate. Thank you.
November 1981. I never thought that I'd even be able to know my birth date. I'm gonna frame this. This is so important to me. This is amazing. Armenia Abina. Mama.
Agad na nagpa-DNA test ang dalawa.
I'm feeling calm and assured that this is the right one.
Kahit hindi kami kumuha ng DNA, siya pa rin yung anak ko. Ang dami ko pala tandaan sa kanya. Pero kailangan para sure. Parang bumabalik sa akin yung bata pa siya. Nung makain kami dito.
Probably one of the most significant meals I've had in a long time.
Dear Mama, I'm so glad we found each other after all this time. Please don't be sad that I'm leaving. I'll be back very soon to spend more time with you and the family. With all my love, your son Joel.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Take care, take care.
Bago matapos ang buwan ng Pebrero, lumabas ang resulta ng DNA test kina Jojo at Herminia.
Base sa DNA test na isinagawa kay Herminia at Jojo, ang resulta ay positive.
Nito lang Abril, bumalik ng Pilipinas si Jojo. Sa pagkakataong yon, kasama na ang kanyang adoptive mother na si Julie.
Yes, Joel. It's your mama. No. So many. wonderful to be here.
Thanks for taking care of my son.
Oh, he's missed you.
I really appreciate it.
Isang anak, dalawang ina.
Thank you very much.
Oh, it's been my pleasure. My absolute pleasure. Your boy has given me so much joy. Oh, this is a happy day. This is a happy day.
These are for you. From both of us.
She's beautiful.
I look like more like my mother, don't I?
Which mother? Yes, you look very similar.
Yeah.
The two of you.
Yeah.
Cannot be denied.
Good to see you. I'm sorry for causing you all those years of worry and grief. I can't even begin to imagine how tough it would have been for you. I look forward to spending more time together, to catch up on all that I have missed, to get to know my new family.
Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta po kayo? How are you? My name is Jessica. Welcome to the Philippines. I would like to know, Joel, how does it feel like sitting beside your two mothers?
It's an amazing feeling. It's very surreal to have my two mums. So I call Nanay Julie my mum and Nanay Herminia Ma, so to distinguish the two.
And I understand you introduced them to each other.
Yeah, it was really nerve-wracking actually. I think we were both shaking at one point. I thought I was going to be all okay with it. It was really overwhelming. Such a beautiful gift to see both of them together, and there was a lot of tears shed. It was interesting because it was really beautiful to see them sort of locking arms, and they were really inseparable, which was a really beautiful sight to see.
Sorry for asking this, but you don't feel torn at all?
No, I don't. Mum and I are very secure in our relationship. I'm really enjoying getting to know Ma, and I think we're connecting more on our humour first, which is really interesting. Yeah, we have the same humour and we laugh about the same things.
It's been a miracle that he has found her. And of course I wanted to meet her. I wanted to meet the woman who gave birth to him. I wanted to know all the ins and outs of him as a baby, as a young child, and we're still working through that because of language barrier. But meeting her was very emotional, but she is such a warm lady. She just kept saying how happy she was, and I was extremely happy as well.
That part that was missing, is it whole now?
Yeah, it's complete. I feel like I've connected the dots, and I know I can honour my Filipino side.
Kamusta ho kayo, Nay?
Okay po. Ako na po yung pinakamaligayang nanay.
Bakit ho?
Hindi ko po inaasahan itong nangyari sa buhay ko na nakita kami muli ng anak ko.
Ang hirap po isipin, 31 years. Ganun kahaba na hinahanap niyo siya. Paano niyo ho nakaya yun, Nay?
Tinaan ko na lang po sa panalangin na
Dasal.
sana makita kami muli. Pero hindi ko po inisip na wala na siya dito sa mundo.
Di ba ang mga nanay may
Oo.
kutob eh?
Oo.
Hindi kayo kinutuban?
Sinabi ko sa sarili ko na parang posible na kamukha po kami. Kaya lang, ang isip ko, Inglesero. Sabi, baka kamukha lang sa isip ko lang.
So Joel, where do you go from here?
Catching up on the time that we've missed, and I really want to create opportunities to keep coming back to the Philippines and spend more time here, and talking about helping the family business so that they can help it to become more sustainable and just little steps.
And you will meet your father soon too,
Very
right?
soon,
He's coming home
yeah.
from the States?
Yeah, and we're looking at for Ma to come to Australia so she can see where I grew up in Melbourne
and what my life is now in Sydney.
There was nothing about her scent at all that brought back, memories when she hugged you, when she cried.
I really felt it when she got out her handkerchief and wiped the tears out of my eyes.
Only a mother does that.
That was it.
Yeah, that was it.
Naiyak ako. Oh. Nay kayo, yung lukso ng dugo na tinatawag.
Sobrang lukso ng dugo, naramdaman ko. Una ko palang kita ko sa pictures, alam ko siya yung anak ko.
Paano yan, Nay? Dadalhin daw kayo sa Australia.
2 linggo lang po.
Excited ho kayo doon?
Oo naman po. Makakasama ko yung anak ko.
Anong gustong-gusto niyo malaman pagpunta niyo roon?
Yung naramdaman ko lang na gusto niya ako kasama talaga. Parang naramdaman ko na accept niya na ako yung nanay niya.
I did. I put together an album of Joel growing through the years.
So this is you in Australia.
Your first bike? He arrived just at Christmas time in Australia, so that was...
Snow.
I thought I'd put that in to show that we do get snow.
Uy, who is this? Is this your girlfriend?
Girlfriend, yeah.
Oh, may girlfriend na pala, Nay. Oh, ito na yata yung mamanugangin niyo.
Opo, pwede na po, matanda na siya.
Now we have a gift for you. This was the picture taken a while ago.
Ah, that was quick.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Salamat po.
Thank you for watching, mga kapuso. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang videong ito, subscribe na sa GMA Public Affairs YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates.